Hey, this is Seb from Social Anxiety Solutions. We are anticipating the start of the 30-day challenge. It's going to happen very soon. And I picked some of the highlights of an interview with James, who completed the 30-day Social Confidence Challenge, one of the earlier versions. And I think you're really gonna like this. This is gonna give you some excitement and some perspective as to why to join and why this is awesome. So here we go, without further ado, boom. What did you like most about the 30-day challenge?
What did I like? Okay, that's a fairly broad question.
Yeah.
Direction, to be honest, was what I liked the most about it. I had no direction whatsoever. So when I started off just trying to figure out what social anxiety even was and learning a little bit about what tapping was, there was a lot of information out there as I was trying to learn about EFT, and the 30-day challenge just gave me very step-by-step direction, which put me on the path to, I guess, where I am now, I guess. Yeah, which is what I like the most about it. It was each day it got me in a routine, and it was fantastic. Yeah.
Great. Of the 30-day challenge, what was most surprising to you?
How well I don't know if this is talking about it more than what I should, but the ACT approach for me was the thing that how well it worked, and how quickly that ACT approach, which if people do the 30-day challenge, they'll understand it pretty quickly. That really resonated with me, and I knew I was in the right spot when after the first couple of days, and I just felt better, and I walk around, instead of feeling that feeling of worry, even though I can still obviously get that, I just felt happy and in control. I had a smile on my face each day, like this is great. It was just a really positive feeling. So that was a surprise. I was expecting to be confused and challenged by it, like this isn't going to work, whatever I might have thought, even though I was keen to do it, I just had that thought, like, I'm going to be the hardest case, but I actually could feel working. So, and I could feel myself feeling better. So that was a surprise how quickly that happened.
Yeah. If someone is watching this and they're hesitant about starting, what might you say to them? By the way, I know I'm putting you on the spot. These are, okay, as you can say, unprepared questions. We're having a conversation here.
Yeah.
So this is
that's all right. I think brief. It's only going to be brief anyway. All I would really say is that what's helped so far. Like if you're sitting at home and you're struggling and you're looking on the computer for something to help you, because I know what you're going through, because I was doing the same thing. What harm is there in trying? And it's just it's life-changing. It really is. It might not seem it for the idea, like you say, the tapping, and once they learn and how weird it can sort of seem, and it's life-changing. And it takes time, but it's amazing. And I would say give it a go. What have you got to lose? There's nothing to lose. You've got the time, and you're already feeling the pressure of social anxiety all the time. So, if it's not going to make you feel worse, if it doesn't make you, at the worst case, you're just going to feel the same, but you're not. You're going to feel better. You're going to feel something. So do the 30-day challenge. You'll definitely come out on the other side feeling far better than you did 30 days prior, no matter what. I can't go as far as to guarantee it, but I'm pretty confident that you'll definitely feel a hell of a lot better, and you'll be grateful that you did it, for sure. Yep.
Thank you. Well, couldn't have said it better myself. What are you waiting for? If you haven't signed up yet, go to bit.ly/Social Confidence Challenge and register now. If you're already registered, awesome. We're going to start pretty soon. I'm excited, and I'm going to see you on the inside. Bye for now.